Welcome guys, today I am with Macbook and I'm going to show you how you can connect this JBL Flip free speaker to your laptop. So with the first you have to click once on this power button to turn it on. Next you have to click on this Bluetooth button to move it to the pairing mode. As you can see, it's blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So put it back and right now simply open the Bluetooth on your MacBook, enable Bluetooth with this switcher, go for the Bluetooth preferences. You can also turn on Bluetooth right here and take a look on available devices. After a few seconds this speaker will pop right here, so select connect. And the last thing that we can do is to go back to the main settings and open the sound settings. And right now we have to be sure that it's automatically switched from your MacBook speakers to your JBL Flip 3. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.